To begin, we set up the project and add our MetaHuman. I'm also going to add a CineCamera. Once the project is set up, we need to enable the plugin. Go to Plugins and search for ZenBlink and enable plugin. You will have to restart the engine. With the engine restarted, it's time to find our ZenBlink actor. Go to Content Settings, Show Engine Content, and Show Plugin Content. Now, we can go to All and search ZenBlink. And here we can find all the content that comes with the plugin. We are interested in BP ZenBlink. We're going to drag this into the scene and a zero out. From now on, you can go to Quick Add and type ZenBlink in your project to add a ZenBlink blueprint. Now let's take a look at the default settings. First, we have MetaHuman, which is the MetaHuman you want to apply ZenBlink to. In my case, Bernice. Next is Camera Focus Target. This will attach a target to the MetaHuman eyes that you can use with a camera. Let's add a basic actor, and we will call this Focus for Camera. And then we will add this in the Camera Focus Target. Next is Target to Follow. This is the target that our eyes will follow. Again, add a basic actor, name it something suitable. I'm going to name it Follow Me. And then we assign it in Target to Follow. The next variable is Auto Blink, which disables or enables Auto Blink. Next is Use Head Movement. Enabling this enables head movement to track with targeting. Next is Emotion. Here we currently have 22 different emotions. Each emotion powers procedural animation, including blinking, eye movement, pupil constriction, and head movement. Next, we have eye movement type. It can be set to none, random, which is driven by emotion, or follow target, where the eyes and head will follow a target. Next, we have weight, which is the overall weight of the procedural animation. This is self-explanatory. 0 means no effect, 1 means full effect. Here's what we have so far. With these settings, we have automatic blinking, automatic eye movement, pupil constriction, and head movement. Here is another example. We're going to set it to a different emotion, something like childish, which is fast movement. Let's hit simulate, and as you can see, this really emphasizes what ZenBlink is doing. Here we have head movement, eye movement, automatic blinking, and pupil constriction. If I uncheck Use Head Movement stops. And we can also do the same for Auto Blink. Next, let's tackle autofocus. Go to your camera and go to the focus settings and set to tracking, and then choose the actor we created earlier, Focus for Camera. As long as this is assigned in ZenBlink, you get perfect focus on the character's pupil. You can adjust the relative offset for more precise results. Now, let's use ZenBlink in Sequencer. Let's create a basic sequence. I'm going to add a level sequence, call it ZenBlink, and set the frames to 500. I'm going to drag in my camera. I'm going to drag in my ZenBlink actor. And if we hit the plus icon, here are a list of properties that you can now keyframe. At the time of recording in Unreal Engine 5.5, the actor properties were unable to be keyframed. Hopefully this will be a feature added in a future version. Okay, so I'm going to add a motion, eye movement type, and weight. Okay, so I'm going to choose my emotion. For follow target, I want to do something different. Here, I'm going to choose my CineCamera, my main camera. I then want to add some movement to my camera. So I'm going to set a keyframe for its transform, hit simulate, and as you can see, our MetaHuman is looking directly into the camera. Okay, I'm going to frame 500 and I'm going to set my transform slightly different. So there is some camera movement. And then set a keyframe. And as you can see, as our camera moves, our MetaHuman is tracking the camera with its eyes and its head. You can use ZenBlink with existing animation. Here I'm just setting up some simple face animation and body animation. And then when I hit simulate again, as the animation plays, ZenBlink adds to the animation. Be aware that if you use ZenBlink use head movement, it will override any other animation in your sequence. If you want to record ZenBlink animation, you can record by hitting the record button in Sequencer. Once complete, find face, find the recorded animation, go to properties, and then you can open it up in the content browser. And here is your recorded animation. Great. If you have any further questions regarding ZenBlink, then please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.